Hello and welcome to today's lecture. We have more information on the whispering moon seeds. Remember, on Sunday, I read to you a message from Lantos talking about two new things. The fountain, the singing seed fountains, as well as the whisper of the seeds. Today we're going to talk more about the whisper of the seeds, which will be the whispering moon seeds from now on. But I wanted to just refresh your memory briefly about these two things and what they do. The fountain, the singing seed fountains, there are three sizes. One that is a small size, which Lantos suggested would be good for a desk or the kitchen. One that is a mid-size that is designed for the main living space, the living room, family room, the den, the main area for your household. And then there is an outdoor one, large enough to go safely in your backyard or in your garden, something like that. That is not to say that every household needs all three, or even two, but the effect of even one of these fountains, if we make a simple assumption that for a lot of people who are busy, they'll make sure to enliven their inception seed and daily seed in the morning, their IM seeds and the daily seed in the mornings, and then they do their reflective IM seeds in the evening time. If we make that assumption and then we say 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening, so the person does 10 minutes a day of enlivening seeds with the song. If that person gets a fountain, that fountain will have 144 times the influence of their spinning the song. So for each fountain, you get 144 times the influence of enlivening initial rotations, enlivening seed 8, the world mother seed. This for the benefit of the household, for the people in the household, but especially for the benefit of the world. And that means that if you get two of the fountains, let's say you get one for the living space and one for the kitchen, or one for your desk, then that means nearly 300 times more effective, 300 times greater influence on enlivening the world mother seed for the world. And that is how you can start to imagine the influence that those fountains will have worldwide, because people are able to give them as gifts to someone who would not be interested in the Song of the Spheres or in a personalized medallion, for example. And even the personalized medallions, those are great for the inception seeds, but they're not the world mother seed then. So the influence for the earth, if you give one of these to, if you've got a grown adult child, adult son or daughter living someplace, and you give them one of the fountains, again, that's 144 times the benefit of a household where someone has the song and they spin it 10 minutes a day. And that starts to give you an idea of the influence of the fountains. If we have 1,000 fountains out there, that's effectively 144,000 people spinning the songs every single day. So when Lantos said 1 million songs, we may well get pretty close to 1 million songs. Even before we have 1 million songs, we will have the influence of 1 million songs enlivening the world mother seed simply by having fountains out there. That is the importance of the fountains. And trust me, we have been wondering, how on earth are we going to have 1 million songs? There isn't even a way to make 1 million songs right now. Factories have become everything with production has slowed down so much since coronavirus came about that it's just not even possible to make 1 million songs by the end of this year. But if we're only talking about 6,000 or 7,000 fountains that then carry the influence of 1 million songs spinning the world mother seed, that becomes entirely possible. So that is something that is a great gift that Todt has given to us for this period of time of the July Assembly. Now, that's not to say that we're going to have the fountains during the July Assembly time, but this knowledge of the fountains and the steps that we're taking to create the fountains, this takes place during the general time of the July Assembly. So it's part of the blessings of the July Assembly. Now, the other blessing of the July Assembly is the whisper of the seeds, the whispering moon seeds. Remember, these are the glass balls that will be suspended above or alongside your bed. They will enliven your inception seed and your reflective inception seed. That's all they do. Not your Appalachian seed, not your mission seed, not the World Mother seed, nothing else, just your inception and your reflective inception seed. But they do it the entire time you are sleeping. Now, in the message that we read on Sunday, Lantos didn't go into great detail as to what that would do. Today's message gives us a little more information on what that means for an individual. So Cindy asked Lantos a question about these moon seeds, the whispering moon seeds. Lantos said this: yes, the precious spheres radiate the sounds of the seeds, inception and reflection. The spheres resonate with the sounds of the traces of empty. The seeds are arranged near to the sleeping location. Empty space between the seeds supports the whispering sounds. This is the structure. It is like the structure of the universe. Universal fabric supports the great forms which are suspended in space. It is a great cosmic net, the network of the universe. Forms are found in harmonic locations. Inception and reflection, opposite values, separated by empty. Sounds resonate across the value of the empty. Just as a small drum emits a small sound, the greater space of empty provides a greater sound. Opposite values offer the fullest sound. Inception and reflection together generate perfect harmonics for the individual physical form and carried by means of the empty. These two seeds offer balance to the individual, strengthening all aspects of life, restoring the universal sequence code of personal existence within physical form. These two seeds, inception and reflection, in their whispering form, are called moon seeds. Moon brings the soft flow of energy to life. Moon smooths out the friction. Enemies are shed. Obstacles are removed. Discomfort is eased. The moon seeds release the breath of life, permeating the cells of the physical form without hindrance. On the day of fullness of moon, in the presence of the whispering moon seeds, it will be good to perform the spinning of the song with inception and reflection multiple times. On this certain day, as each spin is initiated, the whispering seeds breathe in the cosmic breath, and then gently, gracefully, the seeds release the cosmic essence. The cosmic substance is released to the surroundings, just as the tree releases the precious oxygen to the atmosphere. Moon seeds emit subtle, billowing waves of cosmic substance. Moon seeds release the cosmic substance, the fifth element, to all surroundings. Yet, a more specific influence is given to the individual whose inception is contained within the form of the whispering seeds. The sounds of inception and reflection generate a sublime state of harmony within the individual. So that is a little more information for us on the whispering moon seeds. Okay, we're going to talk about this again on Sunday. So everyone, have a great rest of your week. Remember to do the worldwide map treatment on Sunday whenever it's your time throughout the day, wherever you are in the world. Remember to do that 10-minute technique, and then I will speak with you again on Sunday.